Hi, and welcome to the QBD Vision Projects tutorial. We hope you're looking forward to setting up your first project here in QBD Vision. Upon logging in, you will default to the home page for your company. You'll notice that the center section is the project section, and it's populated with the top 5 projects that you've accessed the most. While clicking on Add a Project is quite intuitive, there's a few things you'll need to know. At this stage, you're simply entering the information that will produce what you see on the project dashboard. As with most records in QBD Vision, you will first be creating a draft version, which you can continually edit until you're ultimately ready to propose it for approval. Notice that in order to save your draft, you'll need to fill in the fields designated with 1 asterisk. Fields with 2 asterisks won't be required until you're ready to propose the record. First, you'll want to have a unique name and ID number for your project. Your company might have a specific naming strategy, or you can simply create a project code, which is often a 3-letter code for your company and a 3-digit number. Next, you'll choose the project type. We have a drop-down box here. Are you creating a drug product, a drug substance, or maybe a combination of the two? Maybe you're doing a raw material. Under category, we've also assembled a few default options for you as well. The next field is your risk management plan. Your RMP identifies the risk status of all the attributes in both your product and process. Choose one from the drop-down list of available RMPs. This list is limited to those that your company has already approved, or you can simply select one of the default plans we have provided. You can learn more about risk management plans in the RMP tutorial. You can also choose which risk assessment method you will use. However, notice that it has no asterisks, which means it's not required in order to save or propose your project. Next, complete your purpose and scope, your objectives fields, and describe your project in as much or as little detail as you desire. In the development section, you will choose which quality by design phase you're in, as well as your CMC phase. We've also included a regulatory section and a team section. In the team section, you do have to identify your sponsor and manager of the project. These are the users that will approve your project. Along the bottom, you can see all the users who have access to your project. Lastly, you're ready to save your draft. Know that you don't have to wait for approvals on your project to move on to any other segment within QBD Vision. Draft form, of course. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.